Widely known for making several predictions using animated characters, The Simpsons have revealed that Cardano 88 will overtake Bitcoin. Most times, their predictions come true. In unfortunate times, it's the opposite. For Cardano, what would be its fate? How is this preposterous prediction even possible? Be sure to watch this video to the end and find out. Since 1989, The Simpsons have entertained fans around the world and provided references to pop culture and recent world events. It has been a mystifying fact for decades that The Simpsons have been able to predict the future with eerily accurate episodes, which correspond flawlessly to the 21st century reality. From the invention of smartwatches to Lady Gaga's Super Bowl performance to Donald Trump becoming president. The Simpsons and their subsequent shenanigans have somehow successfully adapted us to a system of predicting big occurrences in our real lives through animated television. The Simpsons featured Bitcoin in an episode titled Burger Kings, which showed Marge Simpson getting hooked on stock trading. As she watched for updates on the TV, the news ticker showed the price of different stocks, including Bitcoin. Amusingly, Bitcoin was accompanied by a green infinity symbol. This was not the first time the animated sitcom included cryptocurrencies in their shows. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology appeared on The Simpsons with Jen Parsons of The Big Bang Theory, with an in-depth explanation of the technology. The episode referred to cryptocurrencies as the cash of the future. Bitcoin has been the fastest growing digital currency and has accounted for over 50% of the entire cryptocurrency market capitalization. The surge in the price of Bitcoin, which was from $10,600 to as high as $65,000, could be mainly attributed to large institutional investors and companies embracing digital currency. Bitcoin was expected to continue its price surge, but is unlikely to skyrocket to infinity as The Simpsons predicted. However, this year has been a massive decline in Bitcoin's price, posing a threat to The Simpsons' predictions. The first time Bitcoin was mentioned on The Simpsons was in 2013. An episode titled Yellow Subterfuge in December 2013 featured the first mention of Bitcoin on the show. In the episode, one of the plots was about Krusty the Clown going broke. Lisa Simpson encouraged him to sell the foreign rights to his show for broadcast in other countries. "Krusty, are you broke?" Lisa asked. "Yeah, all it takes is some bad luck at the ponies and worse luck in the Bitcoin market. Heavy investment in a high-end bookmark company," Krusty said. If a viewer of The Simpsons was so triggered by the comment made by Krusty the Clown and invested in Bitcoin, it would be worth it. Such viewers would gain an incredible return for watching the most beloved animated comedies of all time. Although Bitcoin is still in the spotlight, analysts have changed their stance and believe that the coin won't be there for too long. The Simpsons are not left out. There is a huge possibility that Cardano 88 will overtake Bitcoin. Right from its launch, Bitcoin has battled with several inadequacies and limitations. The common one is the consistent ability to encounter a tragic fall in price and value after a significant rise. It is an undeniable fact that Bitcoin is the gold standard for cryptocurrencies, but its unpredictable nature is quite alarming. This has made unprepared investors for such happenings to flee to safer havens. When trading, it is easy to see the mind-blowing difference between Bitcoin and Cardano. The price for each token differed drastically. Bitcoin had a value of $40,000 as of September 2021, while one Cardano token was worth approximately $2 during the same period. Concerning the same period, the two currencies also had substantial market caps, with Bitcoin having a cap of $750 billion and Cardano having the fourth largest cap at $64 billion. However, the proof-of-stake approach to Cardano mining allows people to mine Cardano without using expensive or powerful computers and mining rigs. Miner must hold a stake in the Cardano blockchain and verify transactions to earn rewards. On the other hand, Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work approach, which directly implies that people must be actively mining the currency. The mining rewards are usually claimed by a random miner. Bitcoin's complex and competitive mining process makes participants spend more on computing power and energy to mine cryptocurrency. In comparison, Cardano is often more affordable for miners, despite Cardano being worth less money. So, when the demand for a simple and easy network is demanded, Cardano is a worthy alternative. Considering cryptocurrencies trading at a few dollars or even a few cents, it is hard to imagine them overtaking Bitcoin, a coin that has reached an all-time high of $65,000. But it is expedient to recall how Bitcoin started. The world's first cryptocurrency was initially worth about 8 cents when it debuted in 2010. What does that mean? It means that it is possible for coins with low valuations today to follow a similar trajectory or probably become better. Eyes on Cardano. In finance, Cardano aims to be a decentralized system that could bring banking to people anywhere in the world. Honestly, various uses which make Cardano a go-to platform for many industries in the years to come. One is its transaction speed, which poses a severe disadvantage to Bitcoin. Cardano can process 250 transactions per second and is working on increasing that even further. Bitcoin processes 30 transactions per second, so Cardano wins here. Another advantage is its eco-friendly profile. This network uses the equivalent of 2 power plants in energy per year. This may seem like a lot, but it is very little compared to Bitcoin. Also, a driving element for Cardano's success is the research and quality behind the platform. It uses peer review throughout its development. Before changes are applied, they are subjected to proper scrutiny and review by academic peers. Speaking of its development process, it is progressing. The platform's developers have launched a 5-phase program to take Cardano to the highest level, and the ultimate goal is to attain 100% self-sufficiency. Considering this young cryptocurrency's advantage, it's a good shot that it stands a huge chance at overtaking Bitcoin. The catalyst for its growth is the fact that it has hit several key milestones and has upcoming upgrades and projects. One of the upcoming upgrades is the Vassal hard fork, scheduled for June 29th. The Vassal hard fork will massively improve the network's scalability and performance. According to Charles Hoskinson, it is going to be a game-changing development that will increase the user base and transaction volumes. Other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, won't stand a chance. Over the last few years, Cardano has been one of the industry's better performing projects. Despite its recent downtrend, ADA has come a long way on the price charts, with its steady stream of developments helping it along. But the steady and slow progression of Cardano has raised the eyebrows of investors. This is one aspect of Cardano that threatens the Simpsons predictions. It is important to know that Cardano hasn't been immune to criticism. For example, while its executives have maintained a transparent, optimistic view of where they see the project heading in the future, many have also targeted it for its misleading accounts of adoption. Cardano has gone through several challenges, but the network has remained calm. Being the CEO of a technology company in the cryptocurrency is a brutal affair. There is nothing like a 24/7 blast of information, scandals, new protocols, concepts ranging from NFTs in the metaverse to a constantly changing landscape, Hoskinson said. Generally, developments with this fast-paced system could take a while. Cardano is not an exemption. According to the founder, it intends to play the long-term game regardless of what other competitors pursue in the short term. Projects like Cardano were and still are the antithesis of this mentality. We've always chosen a systematic, patient, and refined process that moves publication by publication, release by release, instead of chasing hype in the latest cycle, Hoskinson stated. He added, "Our view is that these protocols will be as ubiquitous as the internet and be used by billions. The scale of adoption will take years to decades, not weeks to months, and it won't be a meme. Ultimately, it's the long game that matters." Cardano claims to be secure and resilient while also promising that it is an agile network that will grow and adapt with each evolutionary step. Cardano's focus, Hoskinson argued, remains on steady evolution as it continues to evolve. Many have slammed the network for its slow development and congestion, especially since being patient has dampened the progress. Some critics claim this slowness has created competitors such as Solana, Avalanche, and others. Notwithstanding, Cardano has a promising future. Its slow and steady development will foster great achievements later on. And obviously, the Simpsons discussion on cryptocurrency and Cardano means that they are most likely tuning in on anticipating an excellent future for Cardano. But would you like to share your thoughts on this? Let us have them in the comment section below. And as always, be sure to click on the subscribe and the bell buttons.